uh, those who had apprehensions about the way the administration worked, they had gone to the court. I think the matter is there. Let's not discuss about it. Let us discuss why the parliament is not
Hibaro
functioning
kini kilong ki
because
khubor
of
bam
the
takasngi.
hypocrisy of the
State
government.
Secretary ke BJP Meghalaya Wankitbok Poshna hai gasi ba ar urat
I'm not
herting
aware
ya
of
unong
the
yalam
entire
ka
situation,
Congress
and
pat
I'm
nong
sure the
yalam
party
kalyang
must have
persha
made
haluk
certain
sabha
stands at that point of time.
Rahul
I do not
Gandhi
wish to
da
talk
ka
more
bakno
on
ba
that.
u ba ka Congress
Because I do
BJP
not
ko
see,
kam Arsap
basically,
abaya dei ba ki mat
I do not
samla
see.
ki khna puli ki exmin ka jing thung kam bar ki jing kan no halor ka jing lat tu ki jing kali
See, what's there to
Habakran shaglat pathai khubor hashilong upo shnawla kno ba Rahul Gandhi upersang bane politik ye kimat ki bede ber ki samla ber khna puli ndai usngap jar halor ka jing shale jing ki samla ki be ki hajakan ka jilla ha ka ba ka Congress ka dan benta ka sarkar syndrome bat ka Jharkhand Mukti Morcha GMM po shnawla pinram jur ye ka jing kno shale dan bor ki samla ki be ye ki haranchi halor ka jing dawa kam ki examen thung kam ber ki jing e ki be de ka jing la tu ki jing kli Ula keno baka kabla jia ki surok karanchi kalong ka penja buram ya ka sunshar pait ba namar ka samla ki biaki da kalinti ka jai jai kila sha tiet lathi bat sha siat kan shad da ki water cannon Ula keno ru balabu ya ki jingker ber ki signer sha ha kalinti jong kinong ya ki shushu ula kam badon ki samla kan thai ki bla ujor ba ki jan ki nep jong ki kila sha kat ha ka por jong ka jingjia Da kababu jingkali halor ka jing jar u Rahul Gandhi u poshna ula keno ba unong yalam
Congress apa kerja alam jom Rahul Gandhi. Kam Shimla Island Satya yang darbar baganya cakmat baganya baik. Daga berbentuk kumne kumtai man lakasni. Ningkong Rahul Gandhi uladawa bau menteri beripet ke kampuli putih. Dharmendra Pradhan udi bantri ngakam. Nangta uladawa badai ban Ïatai halor tenit hayim darbar. Berkesorkan untang bakal Island ban Ïatai yang ni kapang. Henry kalawara sendan bagi kendon dakaan ke berperking susu ya ke rukum pelong eksamen atau keri berkawai ke sorkar kala simkya halot kani ke ki eksamen bapher but kala pun kiru ya ke jingpen sistem la dalap ya ki babakla nadu pasdang ya ke dorbar liur au benai na itung ke sorkar kala plelut kilat kilenti bandan ke jingatai halor kimat ki bapher babul bat khamtam haban wara susu iki an kiba dan kam hapokari Henry nagal yang persya balayalam ke sen Congress kam Shimla Island Satya kani ke penpau syai ke jingle bam senyo jong sen Congress bat ke jing bam burom shu ya ke yeng kentang jong keri ke parlimen hakaba kinya ki jutang kim dan dorshu namar ke jingle Arsap jong sen Congress hapok ke jingelam Rahul Gandhi hadalhi menbadang iki kisamla pule halor ke jinglat tu ki jingkeli por ke nit ke sen Congress kalapni baka yang ringkat di kisamla pule henai ha jelak Jharkhand baka senchar lang bat ke Jharkhand Mukti Morcha ke ju hi ke sen Congress ke khabre ki khmat ha ka por ki samla ke khi halor ke jerse tungkam jong ke JPSC ki sha bom ki sha tit bat ki sha siat Ther gas kapenpau syai ya ke jing Arsap kinongelam ke sen Congress ki pakloy banyalam bakla ya ki pajba bot ban pensmo thu baklaru ya ki an baphe sha ki pajba tang ban buri ya la ki jing duna chuki hajaka bakin long kita ki dekhot yang persya bai ban aila bandam ke jingatai hapo ke ying dorba pausi ke sen Congress bat Rahul Gandhi ki Phet yam rem penban kumta kaseng BJP kaseng BJP ngidawa na Rahul Gandhi bat kaseng Congress hi berahoy baki deban panmap na kipadba jongari halor ke jing yalam bakla jongki bat ke jing bam ailat ya ke parlimen bakan trekam katkum kirpom ki badai namar amtang bakaserwa kapor Henry keseluar ke pisah khajna jeng kipaiba. Nomor kamap ke parlimen ketika cakap ke bekentang banyatai ke jeng jeng kipaiba. Tang ban chupen tumar basak hoy kumbakwa ke seng kongres. Datang kita hi mengidan banau na kelasym kia kedan kat di sampal berkisamla pulih dehangta bahadin bakaladon untuk jeng ki jantan mantar ba kalawan lam ya kani kamat banyatai ha ke parlimen. Bat hadin ke jeng Ïatai lawara lu kita ki an ban perking susu lada don kenu ke jeng liat tu ke jeng pelat tu ke jeng kli lani ginu ki kam ki bapo habede bat ka lawai jeng kisamla teka sarkar kala simkia kita
Hadu ono fi om bakla la simkiang i bobun kisumna ka
ya ki demand jengki ngasai ka government kala asnga ki ningkong kala demand ban pa design dia hu education minister ka sarkar ka yang kita to education minister resign hadin busung tho ba kani ke jengki ki kamla ban shuya islam ula shimi kata moral responsibility but ula resign but ke sarkar ka simkia ro hadu kata-kata ban wara senan ka an ka perking susu bakalum jaso nang nis
ki an iti kita ba king club ni tu
lagi minta ba ka ngatrai la dalap ngatrai ka fine juki kala he ngatrai ka kot sudu spokro nang ka imprisonment period ko nang kilabon ngatrai
tay la kilao klap i document ami ta ki ba leak ta ki question
ngatrai ka investigation kala ya klai kala dang jing sakem jong ki babon ngatrai ngindon kam benda patay kani kata ngin kran be habe di ba phang ba kajing ba maila jong seng congress ban bahkan ya ke parlimen bahkan trikam ke parlimen kalong kajing nong ya kari brokoi nomor ke parlimen hi ketika caka kanu yang darbar thawaan hi ketika caka ka bangin Ïatai ya kijing jing pa ba ya la balada ya kata caka la penthut penwet man la kesi tengah sai kanam la kadang long kumta bung sia snapja tiki pa ba jong ri kidimen skutu ba kajing arsap jong seng kongres hi ka pelong ya ki bakinum ya chko Gandhi ba menteri ki kampo yang ulong bokloy ban jubab dia borok kita ki jengkeli begidan ke warnum Phet yamran nang yang darbar face ya kita ki debate borok ki ba sarkar ka ploy ban debate more major than whatever has been coming out from India. See even the other see in a protest even many people has made so many unwanted statements, so let's not go thinking about what has happened. Let us look at what we can do now. Let the parliament function so that the youth and the future of the country is secure.
It's just about accountability, that's the only reason. However, how did the BJP react to the recent calling of Congress on the
What we are requesting, let the parliament function, let's not speak on the streets. Let all these issues which are concerning the people's life be debated thoroughly on the House of
Just one last question. Since after you've seen whatever has happened, you're saying that it's on his personal account, whatever he's posted. Will the party going forth now ensure that nobody tends to post something that will ruin the party itself?
Yeah, naturally, actually, as political leaders, we should be diligent enough of what we do in our day-to-day lives, and we request anybody who's holding important position to kindly monitor their personal account, because nowadays personal accounts can be hacked. Just the other day we got another complaint by one of our state vice president, again account was hacked. So these kind of issues.
For how many minutes the accounts gets hacked?
See, I cannot see. When a mobile gets compromised in any way, so
Okay,
I cannot.
Why no FIR was filed?
See, I don't know how do social media platforms work. I see that we have a medium of complaining to the platform, so I think so.
What 100 seconds the accounts get hacked?
My account has not been hacked, and if my account is hacked, I take.
Why does that post get deleted?
That I don't see. I'm telling you,
After February
I'm not
BJP.
privy to anything what you're speaking. That has happened at a time when maybe I was not available. I'm not aware. I was more concentrating at the Jantan Mantar incident. So what has happened locally, so we are not aware.
So,
and I'm not there to follow anybody's.
BJP man.
See, we have so many members of the party. I don't have time to follow everybody's personal account, right? So let's keep this aside. Let's keep the chief important agenda now at the front. Our parliament has to function, and it has to function in the right way, in a pure democratic way. And we please, through your medium, we want to request to the Congress that do not just go to the streets. Allow the parliament to function and debate there. Our Home Minister, our Honorable Home Minister is willing to answer to all the questions, the queries that the Congress party has. So we request Rahul Gandhi ji to kindly please face our Honorable Home Minister in the floor of the House. Thank you so much. Those who had apprehensions about the way the administration worked, they had gone to the court. I think the matter is there. Let's not discuss about it. Let us discuss why the parliament is not functioning because of the hypocrisy of the Congress party.
Let us also discuss what action you have taken about the youth leader who said, shoot the...
I'm not aware of the entire situation, and I'm sure the party must have made certain stands at that point of time. I do not wish to talk more on that.
So since
Because I do not see, basically,
Sir,
I do not see.
The person is here, we
Is
can
it
ask.
not the irony that you don't know what has happened in Shillong and you know what has happened in Delhi?
What's there on personal accounts of people, I cannot go and monitor, right? So I am not aware and I do not wish to speak anything, but I'm sure the party must have made a statement, so let's stick to that.
The person is already here. You
Yeah,
can
so-
request him.
I do not barge, I don't want to barge onto his personal stuff, so let's
But personal, it's a personal
would you
friend.
like
We
to
are all
say
here.
something?
see. That's what only I do not know.
But just let him
Let him do on a personal note, and let's not make it a